post-surgery meditation. This meditation will activate your body's natural healing abilities after surgery. Listening to this meditation will reduce your stress levels and support your body in its healing process. Make yourself as comfortable as possible. Start focusing on your breathing. This will allow you to relax your body and mind. It will prepare you for getting the most out of this meditation practice. Simply observing is enough. Observe your in-breath. Now, observe your out-breath. Breathe in and allow the air to bring healing and relaxation. Breathe out and allow the air to take away what is not serving you. Do not rush the process. Let it flow as natural as possible. Every in-breath brings comfort. Every out-breath takes pain and stress away. Keep observing your breath and allowing it to bring comfort for as long as you want or need. Even if you have to pause the audio. Now, use your imagination to picture the inside of your body. The stream of blood flowing inside your arteries, bringing nourishment and healing to your organs, especially the area on which surgery was performed. This area receives everything that it needs to recover and repair. Your body is able to heal and restore quickly. Watch the bright color red flowing freely and efficiently. All your systems are dedicating their energy to the complete restoration of the treated area, knowing that everything will be even better than it was before. Right now, you might also need to make a few adjustments to your lifestyle, while healing is the priority. Making sure you are relaxed, physically, mentally, and emotionally is the best you can do. Feel your physical body relaxing as you inhale and exhale deeply. Feel your mental body relaxing as you inhale and exhale deeply. Feel your emotional body relaxing as you inhale And as you exhale deeply, how else can you contribute to your healing today? What does your body need from you today? Now repeat these affirmations in your mind. I make positive, healthy choices for myself. I trust in the healing processes of my body. I am healthy in all aspects of my being. I love and care for my body. It is natural for my body to heal itself. To close your practice, thank your body for the amazing job it does. And also thank yourself for choosing to spend this time listening to this meditation. Bring awareness to your body and your surroundings, and gently open your eyes.